Hello, my friends. Today I'll show you Japanese anti-aging masks that erase wrinkles, even out skin tone, and slow down aging naturally. Tomatoes are rich in antioxidants like lycopene and vitamin C. They fight free radicals, boost collagen, fade pigmentation, tighten pores, and give your skin a youthful glow. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty secrets. Blend a fresh tomato in a blender until smooth. First recipe. Take 1 tablespoon of tomato pulp, 1 teaspoon of rice flour. Rice flour gently exfoliates, brightens dull skin, and smooths fine lines. This mask tightens the skin, reduces wrinkles, and improves texture. How to use. Apply the mask evenly to clean skin, including face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse first with warm water, and then with cool water. Pat dry and apply your favorite moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Friends, write in the comments, where are you watching from? Second recipe. Take 1 tablespoon of tomato pulp, 1 small piece of ripe banana, well mashed. Banana is full of potassium and vitamins A, B, and E, which deeply nourish and hydrate the skin. This mask restores elasticity, smooths wrinkles, and gives a natural glow. How to use. Spread the mask gently over your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with warm water, then splash with cool water to close the pores. Pat dry and apply your favorite moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video if you're enjoying these tips. Third recipe. Take 1 tablespoon of tomato pulp, 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid that exfoliates, brightens skin tone, and reduces dark spots. This mask soothes the skin, makes it smoother, and refreshes tired-looking areas. How to use. Apply a thin layer to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water and then with cool water. Finish with your favorite moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe for more natural beauty tips. Fourth recipe. Take 1 tablespoon of tomato pulp, 1 teaspoon of almond oil. Almond oil nourishes, softens, and improves skin elasticity. This mask deeply moisturizes and repairs dry, aging skin. Use as described above. Apply to face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse warm, then cool water, and moisturize. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Fifth recipe. Take 1 tablespoon of tomato pulp. 1 activated charcoal tablet. Mix well. Activated charcoal helps detoxify the skin, unclog pores, and reduce blackheads. This mask cleanses deeply and leaves your skin fresh and smooth. Apply to face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water and then with cool water. Moisturize. Use 2 to 3 times a week. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.